Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we learn names of vegetables. This is the carrots. Carrots. This is the bell pepper. Bell pepper. This is the broccoli. Broccoli. This is the cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is the lettuce. Lettuce. This is the mushroom. The mushroom. This is the yellow onion. Yellow onion. This is the red onion. Red onion. This is the radish. Radish. This is the beetroot. Beetroot. This is the red cabbage. Red cabbage. This is the white cabbage. White cabbage. This is the fennel. Fennel. This is the cucumber. Cucumber. This is the corn. Corn. This is the celery. Celery. This is the asparagus. Asparagus. This is the spring onion. Spring onion. This is the tomato. Tomato. This is the turnip. Turnip. This is the pea. Pea. This is the zucchini. Zucchini. This is the sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is the potato. Potato. This is the squash. Squash. This is the leek. Leek. This is the lady's finger. Lady's finger. This is the beans. Beans. This is the long beans. Long beans. This is the bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. This is the chayote. Chayote. This is the elephant foot. Elephant foot. This is the sprouts. Sprouts. This is the garlic. Garlic. This is the dill. Dill. This is the radicchio. Radicchio. This is the yam. Yam. This is the morena. Morena. This is the coriander. Coriander. This is the sponge gourd. Sponge gourd. This is the green chili. Green chili. This is the red chili. Red chili. This is the pointed gourd. Pointed gourd. This is the spinach. Spinach. This is the soybean. Soybean. This is the oregano. Oregano. This is the morels. Morels. This is the Hubbard squash. Hubbard squash. This is the endive. Endive. This is the ginger. Ginger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.